What's up, good people? What's up, gangsters? Chris, Better Day Traders, back again, yet again, with another live trading of the Nasdaq future. Um, let's see, quick overview of what we're looking for today. We've got the Nasdaq gonna open up out and out. We are way above yesterday's range. This is yesterday's highway down here. We had Apple reported earnings yesterday. We had finally had the Fed talk a couple days ago. Then Apple reported earnings yesterday after the bell. And then this morning we got some unemployment data. So we got a lot of certainty in the market. Like I said, on Monday, we should be able to set ourselves up for a nice summer rally after we get all this round of information. Um, so we're up, we're out and about. We're going to look for a continuation of this long at the bell above pre-market high, this blue level, whatever this blue level is when we go into the bell above. This is last week's high. This is last month's mid. So we are really pushing above a lot of resistance here that has been building up over the last, I'll say 2 weeks. We haven't been able to take out really any of the previous day's highs uh, consistently over the last couple weeks. So there's a lot of resistance above that we're breaking through now that we have the certainty in the market that we're looking for. So we are looking for longs. We are looking for longs. And then, like per usual, below pre-market low, below the EMAs, below um, last week's high, below last month's mid, we'll be looking for shorts. And we're going to let that first 10-15 minute candle close before we decide to start taking trades. So that's what we're looking for today going into the bell. Get some music going. Out and out on a Friday after we finally got a bunch of news. We actually will probably have a crazy run today. If we have a run. If not, we'll have a crazy pullback. It's either going to go up or down. That I can promise you. It does look like it wants to go up. But we got 18,000 right above too. And not last week's, but 2 weeks ago's value area high is right below it. And we're opening up in like 30 seconds. I know I'll be in this bitch. Picking out the fro and shit. Let's see, we are out and out, up and away. Just tracking my all right, we're open. Just tracking my setups in my little Excel spreadsheet. It's part of my process. 0.06. All right, we got some selling right off pre-market high. Where's my boy Nikop at? There we go. Yep. Sellers right off pre-market high. Not a whole lot of them though. I mean, all of this week's price action is underwater. Even Monday, yeah, or even higher than Monday's high price. So I think any selling will be bought up here. I don't know if it'll be right here in this region, but I can see 17.9 getting bought up if we get back to it. Oh, I cannot pay attention to save my life. Hold on. Date now. I got ads again. There go the sellers. All right. We got the initial sellers stepping up. Still above this EMA though. So basically anything above the EMA, especially above these levels. This is last week's. This is last month's. So through all of April, the high to low. This is the middle price. And then this is obviously last week's high. So I'm expecting any selling to get bought. I said this already. Any selling will get bought up. As long as we stay above that gray EMA. Above those two very important levels I just mentioned. Oh, I need a haircut. First 5-minute candle closed, way above that great EMA. I almost wouldn't be surprised if we need to see a test of that great EMA, but I don't know. Kind of don't see that happening. Nice motion. Yeah, push above pre-market high, super bullish. Push above 18K. I was talking about 18K earlier this week too. I think on Monday's stream I don't remember what I was saying about 18K. I think I was saying this. I was talking about this week's levels to watch for. So I think this corrective period from like March to April is over with. We had the VIX spike. We've got the certainty. Fed spoke. Earnings are out. Uh, job numbers. What else is there? CPI maybe. I think we got CPI already for last month. I don't know. Maybe we did. Maybe we did. The only thing that we're waiting on now is earnings from the video, which is I think 22nd of May. So, and that's probably after hours. So we won't see the price action from that until the next day, 23rd at least. But now we've got like a week and a half to run up until people start thinking about that and positioning for that, which will probably present some opportunities. But yeah, I'm going into this summer expecting a rally just on typical seasonality and probably like from now till July, maybe August. Maybe we go as far as August. June, July, August probably, but based on seasonality, election year seasonality, you know, once the election starts quickly approaching, uncertainty will creep back into the market, and that will be priced with selling until after we actually get the votes and everything, and we know who's going to be the next president. Then we'll probably start rallying into the inauguration. The market loves certainty, guys. They buy certainty and they sell uncertainty. Simple. You tell us you don't know your company, and you tell us you don't know if your earnings will be next quarter will be as good as this quarter. Uncertainty, they sell more than likely, 9 times out of 10. Um, your company, and we've been waiting to see if this new line of business produces revenue for you. You report earnings, you tell us, boom, we hit that shit, or no, we didn't hit that shit. Now we got some clarity. We can put our bets on. The market likes to know what they're betting on, though. Okay, so last 5-minute candle of this 15-minute candle looks like we're gonna try to go for a pre-market high breakout. We got basically nothing but higher lows in the last 4 15-minute candles. 5 if you want to count this one, 6 if you want to count this one. Like nothing but higher lows. And like I said, we are way above any price action from. I guess not way above, but we're above all of this week's price action. And if this is last week's high, we're above last week's price action too. So okay, back up here in the supply zone for the day. Let's see if the sellers are still here. Doubt it. Probably could have got long when I first started saying that about this last candle. But I think I'm gonna wait for a breakout and a pullback retest to start getting long. Definitely gonna wait for this candle to close at the very least. It's just I just would prefer doing that. Y'all don't have to, but I would always say let the first 10 minutes play out though. unless you're scalping. If you're trading within the first 10 minutes, you're scalping. You need to be scalping pretty heavy. Me, I let all the scalpers get clipped, win, whatever they would, depending on which side you're on, and then see what the bigger direction. Okay, pushing to this pre-market high. Looks like we're gonna push through it. Yeah. Okay, let's see if the sellers are still up here. Look like they fake up here. There goes some sellers. All right, sellers trying to defend this pre-market high level. They're not very strong up here. They putting up a fight. Okay, I see them. $18K is right there, though. I think at the very least we go kiss 18K, pull back, retest this area here, and then decide if we're gonna go up or down for the day. Last minute of this candle. I gotta pushing into this last minute. Sellers up there. Ooh, buyer stepped up hard right into this candle. I think we got news coming out too. Let me see. I think we got news either this candle or the next candle. Both candles looks like. Nah. Refresh. All right. Pushing into this untested value area high from 2 weeks ago. 15 minutes, yeah. So we just got S&P Global Services PMI, so PMI from a different source for April, and then we're about to get ISM PMI, ISM non-manufacturing prices in PMI. I'm gonna take a piss. I'll be right back. guys, looks like we're getting some pushing here. We have been able to go ahead and breach that 18K. Might get that breach and retreat. So we can pull back and retest. Pre-market high. There's a small chance we just keep pushing here, but I think there's probably a larger chance. Like 18K is a big number. That's a whole dollar number. 4 whole dollar numbers. And we all know how important whole dollar numbers are, whole half dollar numbers are in trading. Psychological levels of resistance. I mean, think about it. If you bought yesterday, wouldn't you say, I'll probably sell into 18K, or would you say, I'm going to sell at 17,885? I don't know. I think the majority would be saying 18K. I think there's a small minority that would say 17,986. I don't know which one is smarter. I don't know if either one is smarter. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've seen this type of price action. Like I said, it's been a couple months since I've seen this breaking above pre-market high, holding, really fighting this 18K level. If we can get above this 18K level, if we can get above this 18K level, we're going to 18.1. Last month's POC is up here. That's probably, we don't see that today. I mean, we're already at 96% of the daily true range. Even though this week we have been trading like 100% of that, 150, 135% of that. The real question is, do we reset before we, because we're going, it looks like we're going up. It looks like that can change at the drop of a dime because it is Friday, but definitely sellers up there at 18K. It's really just not a whole lot of sellers though. Only people selling are those who are trying to call a top. Because I mean, who steps in front of this train? Oh, we got news coming out at 10, the 10 o'clock candle. So maybe that's when we get the pull back and the push and or push. Okay, yeah. 18K has sellers for sure. And although they're stepping up, they're not stepping up like I just said this. They're not stepping up crazy forcefully. They're there. There they go. There they go. Okay. Okay, they're trying to push this, trying to test this 18K again. Seller stepping up early. No, seller's not really there no more. Not right ahead, above it, right in front of it. I mean, 18K kissed. All right, let's see if we get some sellers. There goes some sellers. Couple few sellers. Another re-kiss. They at 999 now. The sellers are at 999 now. They at 998. They stepped up at 998 just before they tried to smack it down here. So they're trying to get a little more forceful up here. Oh, 18K kissed again. Hopping above 18K. Are they still sellers above 18K? Doesn't look like it. Sellers nowhere really to be found. So, I mean, we got 5 minutes left in this candle. I'm gonna let this candle close. I'm gonna let the next candle open. But I'm definitely looking for longs into dips. We'll be looking for longs into the dips on this next candle. This 10 o'clock candle. Yeah, hardcore. And I got the mic in my hand. Be cool. They are trying to push this up. Again, guys, I'm waiting. We have 4 more minutes before I take any trades. I guess any more trades. I did take that pre-market high breakout, but I got stopped in the money 1 hour just as we pulled back to it to retest it. Still bullish though. There goes some sellers. They look like they're going to try to hold 18K. Yeah, once this 10-minute candle opens, 10 o'clock candle opens, I'm a buyer below 18K. Yeah, they're trying to put this 18K in as support. I still think at this 10-minute candle, 10 o'clock candle, they give us some entries below 18K. I guess unless we have better than expected. I don't know exactly how PMI works, but if it looks like the prices are coming down on PMI, I guess we might just go up. We might not get that, but we got 3 minutes, about 3 minutes. 3 minutes and they pushing. Pushing to close this candle for sure. Damn. Piece of me feel like I should have just bought that 18K, but no, we got news coming out. 2 minutes. Yeah, that's just FOMO. So me feeling like I should have got in off that 18K level is just FOMO. I haven't missed any move yet. So last minute and a half of this candle. Probably see some volume start to come in right at the end of this candle here, right into the beginning of the next one. Now they retesting 18K, 1802, 1801, 18. There we go. All right. And our new candle should be opening any moment. Getting a little piece of a taste of below 18K. That's crazy. Not as soon as the news dropped. Low. Alright, we're below. Still got some sellers here. Heavy sellers. Back into pre-market high. Retest. Alright, these were the levels we were waiting for, guys. I would like for it to cool, like stop moving so much, but I'm gonna get long right here. A lot of volatility right here. They are really trying to hold that pre-market high. Not gonna be able to do it. I'm stopped. Re-attack here. Some buyers. I guess I should see what the numbers were, huh? They were higher than they wanted them to be. Prices were at least. Stopped again, guys.
Hire for half the cost of a recruiter with Upwork. Upwork helps bring in skills on a project basis that we could never afford to pay full time.
They are holding this level. They look like they want to go lower, though. It is absolutely a hideous 15-minute candle. It's only been 5 minutes, though. Buyers trying to step up here. Every time they stepped up, though, they began smacked down in this last 5 minutes. Trying to make a retest of pre-market high. Let's see if the sellers step up there. They are stepping up ahead of it. Okay, pre-market high kissed. Sellers stepping up at pre-market high. Sellers still there at pre-market high. Oh. Sellers still there. Sellers getting around a little bit, but they still there. Stepping up forcefully. Pre-market high is the level to beat, guys. Still selling off it though. Okay, here we go. Nope. Seller's not really going for it. This is where the buyer stepped up last time. Are they still here? There's a few of them still here. Not a lot, though. They're in this area, though. Ugh, not enough of them. All right, I'm getting long here, guys. They did step back up. Stopped.
This is Glenn. Glenn has a problem. Glenn needs reliable recent land sales data to evaluate.
Okay, now, if the buyers can step up here, push above pre-market high, then we might have a rally. Otherwise, it's the seller's territory. See, the buyers are eager down here, but like earlier when all the buying was met with very little selling, there's a lot of sellers now. Nope. Yeah, sellers are walking the buyers down. Buyers trying to get active below 18. I mean, below 940. Ugh, 8 up. great EMA right there at 17.9, right below, which is last week's high, 17.9. I don't know if we want to test it, but we might. Wouldn't be far-fetched. There we go. This is basically the buyer's last stand. Buyer's last stand. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna say. The idea with the PMI data, though, is if the prices for manufacturers are going up, then the prices for those goods are probably going up too, with a lag, bit of a lag. So it's like CPI, but early and non-conclusive. But 15. Buyers step up early in in every candle and get slaughtered in the last five at least. I mean, the last 3 5-minute candles. $68. 968 is still the number to beat, y'all. For bulls. Ew. They do not want to let it get below that EMA, but within distance of the 17.9. They do keep trying. Go ahead. Go ahead. No. I gotta stop drinking so much water and coffee before I trade. I gotta piss again. Oh, good though. We in the last 15 minutes of this stream. I can hold it. Okay, buyers finally trying to show some strength. They still haven't breached 17.9. Like I wouldn't be surprised if they want to breach 17.9 just to before they really start buying. I don't know. There go the sellers again. They are not fucking playing with you niggas. Sellers say if you really want this, you gonna have to fight. All your life you gonna have to fight, motherfucker. Sellers want that 17.9. The sellers is just walking the buyers down. Buyers keep trying to hold this level right here. They're really getting walked down. Here we go. $17.9 has been kissed. The ring has been kissed. Last 9 minutes of this stream, guys. Fire stepped up off that 17.9. We right back in seller territory. See if they still up here. Or if they cover. No, they still up there. There's still a few of them. They seem to be getting closer. Still selling, still selling, still selling. Selling. Yeah, yeah. At this point, if buyers can get above 17,950, that would be bullish, because that is where the sellers have been stepping up from. And every time the price gets close to 17,950, sellers take a step up. 17,950. Now you know what? We're gonna step up at 17,945. Now we're gonna step up at 17,940. Now we're gonna step up at 17,930. Now sellers got control here. Although this 15-minute candle does look like it's trying to bottom. Indecision candle so far. Still got 5 minutes left in this 15, but right now it's an indecision candle. Are the sellers still here? Yeah, yeah, they are. And they're not fucking playing. Are the buyers still here? Nope. No, they are not. All right, 17.9 is being tested. $17.9 has been breached, and I don't see a lot of buyers stepping up. Couple buyers coming up. You know what I meant. Okay, we've had a breach and a reclaim of 17.9. If we can't make a higher high on the 5 minute after this. We'll probably just keep going down all day. Reach and retreat of 17.9. Semi bullish. Looking for confirmation here into this push. Two minutes left here. Are the sellers still right here? Or did they cover into 17.9? Are they still here a little bit? Nope, they're not really there like that. Are they at pre-market high levels up here? It's a real question. You guys will have to find out on your own at this point because I'm gonna end this stream in a hot second. I'll take a piss. I'll do that. Ooh, sellers are up there still. And they've stepped up a little bit. Not even really allowing price to get to that pre-market high level. Oh, I got a piss. All right, new candle. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the stream, y'all. I gotta take a piss. It's been real. Peace out. Ooh, pushing.